नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी प्राध्यापक संदीपान मुंडे आपल्या सर्वांच्या लाडक्या प्रोफेसर मुंडे या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर स्वागत करतो। तर आज आपण अतिशय महत्त्वाचा 10वीच्या सिलेबस विषयीचा भाग बघणार आहोत। तो भाग म्हणजे की 10वीला पोएम्स असतात आणि हा पोएमवरचा जो प्रश्न आहे तो प्रश्न असतो 5 गुणासाठी, 5 मार्कासाठी प्रश्न विचारला जातो। कवितेवर 2 कविता येतात आणि एक अप्रिसिएशन 5 मार्काचं, असं मिळून 15 मार्काचं कविता आपल्याला विचारली जाते। तर अशीच एक कविता आज थोडी घेऊन आलेलो आहे आपल्यासाठी। तर शेवटपर्यंत ही कविता बघा आणि आपल्या कमेंट जरूर कळवा। कविता आहे 1.3, पहिल्या युनिटमध्ये 1.3 ही कविता आहे डोंगरी भाषेतली। मीन्स दिस इज द पोयम विच इज रिटन इन द लोकल लँग्वेज कॉल्ड डोंगरी, रिटन बाय Sunil Sharma, the poet of this poem named Sunil Sharma. And in this poem, the title of the poem is Basket Full of Moonlight. So, poem is Basket Full of Moonlight. So, what is basket full and what is moonlight? Basket full means in Marathi we have called basket, टोपली, and full, टोपली भर, म्हणजे basket full, moonlight, plenty of moonlight, म्हणजे विपुल प्रमाणामध्ये चंद्रप्रकाश घेणे, याला आपण नॉर्मली भाषेमध्ये बास्केट फुल ऑफ मूनलाईट असं म्हणतो। तर या कवितेमध्ये टोपलीभर चंद्रप्रकाश असं त्याचं ट्रान्सलेशन होईल। तर या कवितेमध्ये अनिल शर्मा या कवितेच्या माध्यमातून थ्रू द प्लॅटफॉर्म ऑफ दिस पोयम आवर पोएट ट्राइड टू टोल्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ चाइल्ड, and child already faces many problem which is lives in villages. The problem is also occurred in each and every villages of our country. The real fact and real situation is presented through this poem Basket Full of Moonlight. First of all, I sing or listen the poem or read aloud the poem before you. O moon, give me the moonlight, basket or 2 basket full with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of path, I want to show many small moons of light. So in this stanza, the small children is addressed or make a request to the moon. What the request is? The request made to the moon is, "O moon, give me your moonlight 1 or 2 basket full." मुलगा याचना करतो, विनंती करतोय की चंद्राकडून उजेड घेण्याचा, चंद्रप्रकाश घेण्याची गोष्ट मुलगा करतोय। तर ते चंद्रप्रकाश कशासाठी पाहिजे याविषयी सुद्धा या कवितेमध्ये सांगण्यात आलेलं आहे की many workers, many men and women nowadays, they are working in the city, and therefore with their work they do not come back to their homes as early, and our child, means speaker of the poem, wants to come back his father from the village to the home or to the village, because in that village there are so many problems. Path means road that we usually go down, up down, from that village, from that road to the village and city. That road is worst, it is not good, and that's why the many creatures fall asleep on the road or lay aside from the road, and this is very harmful to each and everybody. So poem in the child requested the moon, give the moonlight. Why? To enlighten the path of village from the city. And that's why he want to show म्हणजे पेरणे, he want to show, show, he want to show the moonlight along the paths of village from the city. And again, small moonlight, the whole village go to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. In the stanza of the following lines, the child also told the condition of that village. Why village need the electricity or need the light? So the workers or men, those who are working to the village, working to the city for their work, they are not coming early. They usually late due to the roads, and not any vehicle come to that village due to that road. And that's why the children told the many creatures. The examples is given in this poem, the two creatures, scorpion and snakes. Scorpion म्हणजे विंचू, snakes म्हणजे साप. These are the poisonous creatures which is very harmful to each and everybody. If they harm us, then it is not good to anybody. And that's why this is tough. This is very tough for every villagers to up and down on that road. In the next line, neither bus nor cart piles when my father returns home, I am asleep. Due to the road, as his father comes late, he asleeps. There were no any vehicles, no any bus to that village due to the destructions of road, and that's why our speaker wanted moonlight to enlighten the path of enlighten the path of his village, and he requested to the moon. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. And in the next day, the speaker is get up early, but before that, his father left his son, because his father goes to city for their work, for their daily routine work, as early in the morning. So he and his father cannot be met in a day or night. And that's why, O moon, give me the basket full of moonlight on loan. I wanted to light the dark road so that my father return early I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. Why? He next line he urged to the moon, O moon, give me your light on the loan. If you not give me as a free, then I will buy it to you from the loan, on the loan, and that's why it is very necessary for me, because I want to enlighten the road. I want to finish the darkness of that road of my village, and that's why it is very necessary for me, because as I enlighten the road of my village, so my father come as early, and when they come as early towards me, then at the night he told me the story of your fairy tales and each and every story, so that I wanted to listen from him. So due to that reason, we just wanted your moonlight. And next line and last stanza of this poem is, O moon, give me the basket full of moonlight, I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of path. In this way, the speaker expressed their grief, sorrow, and he felt distracted because there were no any condition of that road for traveling to the city. If the roads are not good, then people can't move here and there. People can't travel on that road to the city, and that's why the roads are very necessary to connect the two nations, two states, two villages, village and city. So roads are very important role in our life, and that's why a road is called our, like our blood vein in our body. The veins are in our body, veins are traveled our blood to each and every part. That is very necessary. For that reason, roads is also necessary, and that's why father make speaker make request to his father to the moon, and moon really accepted. This is an imaginary poem, blank verse poem. In this poem, the poet used hyperbole, figure of speech, alliteration, figure of speech, a repetition, figure of speech, and there in this poem, poet doesn't use any stanzas scheme like A B C D, A B B. This is not to be written in that language, because this poem is a whole black verse poem. In the black verse poem, it is not necessary to make schemes of the poem. So I hope you enjoy this poem, and you try to understand each and every line of the poem. So we will meet soon to next another chapter or any part of the our curriculum. So we will meet in our next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.